Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 international school teaching job vacancies in Singapore. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.dps.edu.sg. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page, DPS International School Singapore. In this main page, one of the option about us. If you click this link about us, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies in DPS International School Singapore. So here they are mentioned. DPS is always looking for a competitive and dedicated talent. Should you feel that you have abilities and qualification which are unique and exemplary, please apply at recruit@dps.edu.sg. So what are the position available for academic year 21-22? Subjects are English, Mathematics, Science, History, Geography, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, French, Hindi, Computer Science, Economics, Business Studies, Accounts and Tamil. So these are the vacancies. What are the qualification for all the vacancies? Post graduation with B.Ed is mandatory. So level of qualification they are mentioned here. Primary, whether it is secondary, they are given here. Depends upon the subject, they are mentioned here. So if you are interested for teaching position, for the criteria they are given here. Note, so criteria is teaching experience, academic qualification may be postgraduate or graduate, B.Ed is mandatory, essential qualification fluency in spoken and written, experience of teaching in IGCSE, A level or ICSE, ICSE. Teaching training is mandatory. So preference are given by Singapore citizen. PR are welcome to apply. Experience of teaching in international school. So preference only given to Singapore citizen. Indians also we can apply. Preference only they are given. So experience, if you have experience in international school, you can get the opportunities also. So if you are interested these vacancies, you can mail your CV to recruit@dps.edu.sg. So this is the way you have to apply DPS International School Singapore. If you want to know more details about this school, about curriculum, so what are the facilities, what are the frequently asked question, if you want everything, you can get it from in the menu itself in left corner available. You can check it from here. The second one is NPS International School Singapore. You can enter in the URL www.npsinternational.com.sg. So if you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. In this main page, right corner, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for career at NPS International. The first one is the school seeks the following: French teacher, middle school mathematics teacher, middle school science teacher, design and technology teacher, IB mathematics teacher. So these are the vacancies. If you are interested these vacancies, you can click this link. For example, mathematics teacher mean if you click this link mathematics teacher, you can check it from here what they expect mean bachelor or master or MPhil or doctorate in the relevant subject with a teaching diploma or degree in education from a premier institute necessary. So at least 3 to 5 years proven teaching experience in a international school environment, excellent classroom practices, familiarity and experience with modern educational thinking and practices, high digital literacy in the use of new technologies in classroom, initiative and commitment to continuous professional development. So these are the things that they are expecting from the candidate. If you have the skills, you can send your CV with the full particulars to vacancies at npsinternational.edu.sg. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, job description, qualification and etc. So all the positions are they are mentioned here. What are the responsibilities? So what are the assessment and recording and reporting, extracurricular activities, everything they are mentioned here. So one by one you can check it. So if your skills matches your profile, you can send your CV vacancies at npsinternational.edu.sg. The third one is One World International School Singapore. You can enter in the URL www.owis.org. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. here one of the option about One World International School. If you click this link, you can get one option carriers. So if you want direct link, I will give it in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. So here carriers, if you click this link carriers, you can get what are the teaching opportunities for One World International School. So relief teacher are, they are starting immediately. So what are the responsible they are given here. So what are the other vacancies means secondary English, art teacher, geography, computer science, bilingual teacher for English and Mandarin, PE teacher, music, early childhood, secondary maths, primary year program teacher, humanities, physics teacher. So these are the vacancies for One World International School, Singapore. So all the vacancies are going to start August 1st, 2021. So before that you can submit your job application as per the instruction. For example, if you wish to apply secondary maths teacher, you can click this link view details. If you click this link view detail, you can get it what are the responsibilities for secondary maths teacher. Here they are given. So what are the requirement also they are mentioned, minimum 2 years relevant teaching experience, must have strong knowledge and experience of maths subject for secondary, IGCSE and IBDB level, experience in international school environment preferred, a passionate educator with the ability to deliver inquiry based learning. Applicant with more experience may be considered for a higher position. So what is the work location mean? One World International School, Nanyang campus. So if you are interested these vacancies, you can click this left corner apply now. If you click this link apply now, it will be redirected to your mail. You can send your CV and cover letter to hr@oneworldinternationalschool.org, hr@owis.org. You can send your application. Once you have sent your application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. If you want to know more details about the school, you can check it from the menu. You can get it from everything here. What are the curriculum, the campuses, so everything you can check it from here. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.